Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into Meesho. First of all, tap open Meesho. Then you'll be in the Meesho homepage and you can see user written on the top left corner, which means you're not currently logged in. Then you can see account icon on the right lower corner. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be on your account page of Meesho. Then you can see a sign up button on the top of the page. You might be confused because there is no sign in button in Meesho, but sign up button works same as the sign in Meesho app. Now tap on sign up. After doing, a window like this will pop up. There are two ways how you can sign in to Meesho. You can either type your phone number and send OTP. If you had previously used that in order to make Meesho account, you can see a country option beside phone number. If you tap on that, you will get a variety of list of countries. Select your country and type in your phone number. After typing your phone number, tap on send OTP. And finally, tap on done. If not that, you can sign in with WhatsApp instead. After tapping on that, you will be redirected to a WhatsApp chat of Meesho. You will have to sign in into Meesho, which will also be automatically in there once you're redirected to that page. Then you'll have to tap on the link that Meesho has sent you in your WhatsApp. After that, you'll be logged into your Meesho account successfully. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.